All right, so these are just ugly, 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 ugly problems in terms of the length of them. So whenever you see something that's talking about filling something up with water and it's got all this money and stuff in it, it's going to be a little bit of a pain. All right, so we have a rectangular pool, all right, that's 30 by 15 by 4, and she fills it up with water. All right, so we got to find the volume. All right, so we're going to make Teresa here, and we're going to make Nancy here. All right, they sound like the people that have a pool. All right, so volume equals area of the base times the height, or length times width times height, 30 times 15 times 4. 30 times 15 times 4. 1,800. All right. Cubic feet. All right, then Nancy has a circular pool. This one's a cylinder. If you're not familiar with pools, you know, that might be tricky to figure out what it is. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared. So pi times 12 squared times the height. All right, so pi times 12 squared times 4. 1809,557. All right, so we're paying per gallon is the one issue. All right, but it does tell me, oh, hang on. Both fill their pools, I've missed this part. Both fill their pool is 6 inches from the top, so they're not filling it all the way to 4 foot. They're filling it to 3.5 because that's half of a foot. All right, so that's 3.5. So we got to recalculate here. Maybe read the whole problem would be a good idea. All right, so let's get rid of that. I would get the same answer at the end. 30 times 15 times 3.5. 1575. I would get the same answer as to who pays more, but I wouldn't get full credit. So pi times 12 squared times 3.5. That's not 3.5. No, wrong thing again. There we go, 3.5. 1583,362. 1583,362. Okay, so now I got to split that up into gallons. So 1 cubic foot equals 7.48 gallons. So each cubic foot equals 7.48 gallons. So you can do a proportion, which would be feet to the third over gallons, or you can multiply this by 7.48. All right, whatever you're doing, just make sure that it makes sense with what it's telling you. All right, so 1575, and I always say when in doubt, multiply with these kind of problems. All right, 11,781, so she needs 11,781 gallons. And this person needs 11,843.55. 11,843.552. All right, so the money is weird. All right, it's not listed in like a per gallon. It's listed as $3.95 for 100 gallons of water. So that means this person has to pay $3.95 for 100 gallons of water. So if I divide this, I'll know how much they make per, or how much they pay per gallon. 3.95 divided by 100. So they pay 4 cents basically per gallon. So this is going to be times 0.0395. Figure out how many dollars this person pays. $465.35. All right, that's what that person pays. And this other person pays 200 per 6,000 gallons. So 200 divided by 6,000. I think that's a little cheaper per gallon. 200 divided by 6,000. So they pay less. So times 0.033 repeating. So I need that number times that number. 394.785. 394.785. or 7.9, sorry, round it to the nearest tenth. 7.9. So Nancy's cheaper. Oh no, who paid more? Sorry. Paid more. That's a ton of work. All right, a ton of work for 3 points. All right, but those water questions are very common because apparently the Regents exam thinks everybody fills up their pool all the time.